Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare PostgreSQL versus Visual Studio Code. We will explore their distinct roles in software development, understanding what each tool offers individually. Then, we'll delve into how these powerful tools can be effectively integrated to enhance your workflow. Finally, we will highlight their unique strengths and how they complement each other, providing a comprehensive overview for developers at any skill level. PostgreSQL is a robust, open-source relational database management system, renowned for its reliability and extensive feature set. It supports a wide array of data types, including JSON and XML, and offers advanced indexing techniques for efficient data retrieval. Developers often choose PostgreSQL for its strong adherence to SQL standards and its extensibility, allowing for custom functions and data types. It's a cornerstone for many enterprise-level applications, handling vast amounts of data with high performance. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a lightweight yet powerful source code editor developed by Microsoft. It provides excellent support for numerous programming languages, debugging, and Git version control right out of the box. With its vast marketplace of extensions, VS Code can be customized to support virtually any development task, including database management. It's a highly popular choice for developers seeking a versatile and efficient coding environment, offering a seamless experience across different platforms. While fundamentally different, PostgreSQL and VS Code work together seamlessly. PostgreSQL serves as your data storage and management system, while VS Code acts as your primary interface for writing code, managing projects, and even interacting with your database through extensions. VS Code can connect to PostgreSQL, allowing you to query data, manage tables, and execute commands directly from your editor. This synergy streamlines development, offering a powerful and integrated experience for modern software creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.